Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to another session of primary school math. Okay, so today I'll be doing PSLE math. Okay, so especially for all those primary 6 preparing for PSLE, and then some questions the P5s will be able to do today also. Alright, hello everyone. Okay, hello Nadira, hello Dila. Okay, so today will be about 8:30 like that, we'll end, yeah. Alright, so as per normal, okay, or I'll be following what Coach Shaira did last week, right, where we do all the Kahoot first. After the Kahoot, we'll go through the solutions for each of them. Okay? Yes, it is. Don't worry, I won't deny. Even I'm also not sure how to make my real house looks like that. Alright, so as per normal, okay, we'll be doing the Kahoot. Okay, so do join us at www.kahoot.it and enter 7993576. Yes, this is for PSLE math. Yes, Dila, she got some own personal matters that she needs to attend to today. Okay. Alright, so yeah, so we'll be doing 2019 PSLE paper today. Okay, we'll be doing the booklet A. Alright, so basically the 10 questions that you see on Telegram, right, they are all from 2019 PSLE booklet A. Okay, then next week, probably Coach Shaira or myself will continue with the booklet B. Okay. Alright, so as per normal, everyone, do help to share this live. Okay, share with your friends, all your friends who are preparing for PSLE, okay, or younger siblings that are currently in primary 5. Okay, so you may do that. The only thing I think today that a primary 5 will not be able to answer is that there is a ratio questions. That's it. Okay, but ratio questions, if once we are there, I'll give you all some hints for those who are not in primary 6. Okay. Alright, so come on and join in. Okay, and as per usual, today we also have the $10 popular voucher. Okay. So get all your friends, join in, and then more people, more fun. Okay, the more the merrier. Alright, so those who are already here, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 7993576. Alright, come on Nadira, believe in yourself. Okay? Alright, yes, thank you for sharing. Okay? Everyone else also, come on, share this live with your friends. At the same time, tap the screen, spam, tap the screen, okay? Give us the likes also. Alright, if you are new, welcome to MasterMath, okay? You can follow us, so you will be notified whenever we have any other live going on. Alright, so usually for primary school, we have the P5 and P6 math, okay? We also have some science for primary school also that will be on Thursdays, but once in 2 weeks. Okay, and then we'll also have secondary school math also. Okay, so on Sundays. Yeah. Okay, but so do look out on our Instagram. Okay, on the Telegram, you see this words that is scrolling to the left to the right on top of me. Okay, go and follow us on Telegram also, MasterMath PSLE. Alright. Dila is because science require more preparation, that's why. Okay. Yeah, I need to think about the content, the experiments and all that. Okay. Anyone got any issue with the sound? Can you all hear me? Can everyone hear me? Alright, thank you, Nadira. Okay, thank you, user something something something. Alright, thank you, Mikhail. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Alright. So if you are not in the Kahoot yet, okay, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 7993576. Alright, we'll be starting in about 6 more minutes. Okay. So in the meantime, do help us share it around. Okay, if you have Sec 1 friends, also you can ask them to join in. Okay, secondary school also fine to practice. Okay, this PSLE math. Okay, if you know of your PSLE friends also, primary 6 friends, okay, also get them to join in. Okay. Alright, so 7993576. Okay, so you're the lovely cat. Is there a lovely cat here? Oh, there, okay. Well, today there's a lot of cats, is it? But all these are by random, okay? Alright, so as per normal, today we'll end about 8:30 like that. Okay? So come on, share with your friends. Okay, those who are already in this live, okay, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 7993576. Alright. Right. Come on. Those who are already here, come on, join in. Okay. I forget about that already, Dila. The last time I did principles of account was, I might be sharing my age on live here, but it was at least more than 10 years ago. Alright, so that's like a range only I'm giving you guys. Alright. As in, I know what's a depreciation, but I forget whether you need to do it before or after disposal. Alright. Okay, so those who are already here, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 7993576. Okay? Alright. Come on, Nadira, believe in yourself. Okay, these are booklet A questions. Okay, you can do it. Alright, you can do it. Alright, come on. We'll start in 3 more minutes. So in the meantime, do help us share as much as possible. Yes, booklet A question. Okay. So we'll share it with your friends. Okay, your classmates, your cousins. Now, if you're new, welcome. At the same time, follow us. Okay. I hope I got the right direction. The plus button is like somewhere here, right? Alright. Come on in, okay? Yes, P5 you should be able to also, alright? Today, it's just that there will be one ratio question. If you haven't learned ratio yet, you can, I will give you some hints later on. Okay, right, Carl? Okay, so if you are primary 5, primary 4, you can give it a try, okay? Come on, guys, you give it a shot. Primary 4 also can try, okay? Don't worry. Try your best. Even if you got it wrong also, you will learn something new today. Okay? And also for today, we'll be going through the solutions at the end. Alright, so do stay on all the way to the end. Then we'll go through the solutions all together. Okay? Okay, I'll start in about 2 more minutes. Okay, if primary 3 can try lah, okay? You can come in, maybe see the question and then you see the option. You see which one you feel like the most right, you select the option. Okay? Alright, come on in, come on in. I'll begin in about 2 more minutes. So in the meantime, those who are not in yet, come on, quickly, get your device. Okay? Enter www.𝐿𝐴𝐻𝑒𝐻.it and enter 799-3576. Alright, thank you Nadira. Thank you. Okay, come on in. Go to www.𝐿𝐴𝐻𝑒𝐻.it and enter 799-3576. Okay, come on in. Okay, I'll wait for you all for 2 more minutes. Okay, quickly go grab a device and go to www.𝐿𝐴𝐻𝑒𝐻.it, enter 799-3576. Alright, so those who are already in this Kahoot, in this live, okay, come on in. Okay, you can go to www.𝐿𝐴𝐻𝑒𝐻.it and enter 799-3576. Okay, 1 more minute, we'll begin. Okay, as per normal, for today, the number 1 for today will be getting a $10 popular voucher. Okay, so you can use that to get more practices, can use that voucher to get more stationaries, more writing materials, okay, or maybe even just some snacks at Popular. Alright, okay, so if you're new, do follow us. Okay, press the start button, press the follow button, okay, and also give us the likes. Alright, what is all this HUJ? Oh man, gotta say goodbye to all these 50 HUJ. What if they won the Kahoot? Who do I send all this to? Okay, in the meantime, while I remove these HUJs, okay, any of you who are in this Kahoot, come on in, okay, in this TikTok. Okay, all decided to exit by themselves. Alright, thank you HUJs. Alright, I think let's not wait furthermore. Okay, before we got some other random bots that enter. We'll begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, this course is from the booklet A, Dila. Okay, I'm taking questions from the 2019 PSLE booklet A. Alright, so in the number 43.21, which number is in the tens place? Okay, there's no TH there. Alright, oh no, wait, let me bring this up. Oh, no wonder. Okay. Yeah, I think there isn't a money question. If have, next week I'll put, okay? Or I'll put tomorrow lah. Okay. So what have you all entered? Okay, very good. I think some of you mixed up between 10 and 10th with the TH, right? Okay, so because we're looking for the tens, not the 10th with the TH, that's why the answer is 4 and not 2. Alright? Alright, let's see. Wow, 989, 987, 986, 986, 985. Wow, all the top 5 are close together. Now, express 9 and 1 over 50 as a decimal. Oh, don't mind the question in the center. Okay, forgot to delete it. Okay, don't mind the question in the center. Look at the main question at the top. Express 9 and 1 over 50 as a decimal. Oh no, Ben. So what do you put, Ben? You put 9.2, is it? Wait, primary 4 you all haven't learned, oh yeah, primary 4 you will learn decimal and fractions convert to decimal somewhere in semester 2 if I'm not wrong. Okay, you will learn decimals first, then you will learn how to convert fractions to decimal. Alright. Okay, those who are still converting, you got 55 more seconds. Today we'll end about 5:30, okay? Okay, Keiko, you want to try? Give it a shot, why not? Okay? Okay, I give you a hint, those who are stuck. Okay, it is something related to changing the denominator to something. That's the only hints I'm going to give you right now. You need to change the denominator to something. Green minus blue, isn't it supposed to plus? Because you are mixing it. How do you take out blue from green? Green minus blue. Okay, very good. Okay, 25 of you got it correct. Okay, yes, the answer is yellow. Okay, now let's see the rankings. Oh, okay, so the top 4 actually remains. Okay, but now the points are slightly way apart. Okay, that's good, that's good. But still got chance to beat one another, as in to get the highest rankings. The next question is a double point question. At first, Ali and Bala were facing the same direction. Then Ali turned 135 degrees clockwise to face west, and Bala turned 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Which direction did Bala face in the end? It's a bit tricky here. Okay, try to draw your north, south, east, west first, then try to figure out from there. There's a bit of working backwards, and there's also a bit more of you need to actually apply what is given in the question. Okay, so the thing here, the clue is Ali and Bala were facing the same direction. Okay, so like they start at the same direction. Then Ali turned 135 degrees clockwise to face west. This is another clue. So after that same direction that they're facing, then Ali turned 135 degrees clockwise to face west. Okay, so maybe you can use that to work backwards, maybe. And then after that, from the same direction also, Bala turned 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So they're asking which direction Bala faced in the end. Of course, it's hard to visualize this north, south, east, west. Put on a paper, okay? Get a paper, draw the arrows, okay? Like first north, and then east, and then south, and then west. Then from there, those in the middles are your which one was it they say? So you see all these options, right? Northeast is like between north and east. Northwest is between north and west. Southeast is between south and east. Southwest is between south and west. Okay, but those already entered, if you already enter your answer, then no choice. Use GPS. Use Google Map. Alright, 30 more seconds. So how? Which one? Which one? Okay, why is there so many quacks? Why? Okay, alright, the answer is southwest. Okay, so we'll discuss it later in the solutions. Okay, so do stay till the end, and I'll try to show and make it as clear as possible how do I get southwest. Okay, I think wow, because of this angles question, suddenly the top 5 all change. Okay. Which of the following fractions is closest to 3? Okay, but you see, the options all there are mixed numbers, right? Improper fraction. So what should I do before I compare them with 3 wholes? So how? Why angry? Because you selected the wrong one, is it? Don't need angry lah. Okay, 2 more minutes. Oh, you were the first place. So because of your internet, you drop all the way. Okay, understood. Alright, so the thing is, whenever you are comparing, right, okay, you must basically use the difference. Okay, so but before difference, here the numbers are all in improper. Okay, so a hint would be to convert them to mixed number before you do the difference. Okay. Alright, don't worry, later we'll discuss, okay? Initially when I was doing also, actually I got novice. But then, because I turned the wrong direction. Okay, never mind, later we'll discuss. Okay, 20 more seconds. So which one is closest to 3 wholes? Alright, thank you user 459 something. Alright, very good. Okay, 15 of you got it correct. Okay, so we must compare the difference. Okay, then after that, after you compare the difference, then you find the smallest difference lah. Okay, alright. Okay, Okay, now let's see the rankings now. There's a captain ant. Now the captain ant is in the first place. Okay, then the shining sloth is the second place. Okay, now another double point question. Which of the following fraction is closest to half? Which of the following fraction is closest to half? I have some marbles. If I put them in bags of 7, I have 2 extra. If I put them in bags of 5, shortage of 4. So this one you use a model, okay? Or there's a formula for doing this kind of question also. Okay. How many of you more haven't answered the question? About 1 more minute left. It's okay, Nadira. Nowadays there is internet. You can easily contact each other. Okay, so we got 40 more seconds. Okay, so the steps is actually almost the same as the previous question on just now, the 3 holes. Okay, but this one, instead of closest to 3 holes, is closest to half. Okay, where am I? I am everywhere. No lah, kidding lah. I'm in one of the centers. Okay. Very good. Okay, 4/9. Okay, so later we'll discuss more how we get 4/9. Okay, another huge change in the rankings. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, another double points question. Solve the following question. Okay, this is the ratio question I was telling you about. Okay, so for those who haven't learned ratio, right, you can think of it as a fraction, where if they say ratio of gold to silver was 1:5, okay, you can think of it as 1/5, something like that. Okay, you can treat ratio like fraction also. Alright, come on, let's go, let's go. Because you probably may have come across this question, because I'm taking it from the 2019 PSLE paper. Alright, so for those who are new to us, okay, So I forgot to introduce myself just now. Okay, my name is Coach Mo. We are from MasterMaths. Alright. So basically we are in education center lah, like tuition center like that. Okay, we will do math, science for primary school students. Okay, and we also do math for secondary school students, and we are also doing English for primary 6. Okay, so in terms of locations, right, we actually at 5 different options. Okay, we got Farrer Park, we got Tampines, where Nadira is mentioning. Okay, and we are also at Woodlands, and we also at Jurong East. Okay, and the 5th option is actually to do it in an online setting lah. Yeah. Okay, don't worry, she'll be back. Okay, she just got something on to settle today. Alright, 1 more minute. In the end, they're asking it to be in fractions. Okay, in the end, they want it to be in fraction. Yes, there's one at Woodlands, and there's also one at Jurong East. But if let's say all the locations are a bit hard to accessible for you guys, there's also a option to join online. Okay. All right. All right. So yes, the answer is 1 out of 4. Okay, basically because of the ratio lah. Okay. Okay, interesting how every question, right, there's a change. Okay, another double point question. Yes, you can still join. You can see the code at the top here, 7993576. Go to www.𝐂𝐤𝐡 and enter 7993576. Okay, this one not really a problem sum lah. Okay, this one is which pair of lines are parallel? Which one? Which one? Is it AB and BC, or CD and FE, or ED and AB, or FE and AF? Circle? There's no circle. Brown, maybe. Nadira, then what he said? Alright, okay, yes, the answer is actually ED and AB. Okay, I was wondering, why you all put CD and FE? Okay, wow, every question you all are changing and changing. Okay, interesting who's going to be number 1 today. Okay, right now we got the amazing ferret at number 1. Okay, and quite a huge gap away is Lucky Crab. But don't worry, Lucky Crab and Noble Raccoon, you all can still climb up actually. Using the following information below to answer question 8 and question 9. Okay, so I give you 1 minute. Look at the information. What is figure 1? Okay, figure 1 is okay. So the question is about Jill, who baked some muffins to sell at the fun fair. Figure 1 that you see on the left is number of muffins sold for apple muffin, banana muffin, and chocolate muffin. And figure 2 on the right shows the number of muffins that left unsold. Okay, so on the left it is sold, on the right it is unsold. So how can you link these two information together to answer the following questions later? Okay, is everyone ready to see question 8 and question 9? Alright, now let's go. What was the number of muffins, chocolate muffins, that 𝐿 baked? What was the number of chocolate muffins 𝐿 baked? Alright, this is chocolate that she baked. So how many chocolates that she baked? Alright, come on. Okay, you don't put answers on the chat. Okay, you may never know whether is it correct or is it wrong. Ah yes, the answer is green. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's see. Wow, all stay the same. Next one. Altogether, how many apple and banana were left unsold? Alright, come on guys, get the lights up also. Okay, all together, apple and bananas, muffins that were left unsold. How many are there? One more minute. How many were left unsold? They are not asking for sold. They are asking for unsold, and not just for apple or not just banana, but apple and banana. How many are there? 40 more seconds. Come on, for those who haven't selected, come on, you can do it. Yes, very good. 34, and most of you got it correct. And the ranking stays. One more question. The last question for today actually. Alright. I give you all a minute to read the problem sum. Okay. Pupils in a school are put into two groups for a learning journey. 2/5 of the pupils are in group A and the rest are in group B. 1/4 of the people in group A are girls. In the school, 3/10 of the pupils are girls. What fraction of the pupils in group B are girls? Wait, I got a feeling like this question I may have there may be something wrong with the answer later. Alright, so leave the answer in the form of decimal, okay? Alright, let's go. Okay, 4 minutes. Okay. Alright, so like I said just now, right? Leave your answer as a decimal, okay? So they say here, pupils in the school are put into 2 groups for a learning journey. Okay, 10 at the front, that one is a question 10, okay? Don't say that 10 pupils, sorry. So 2 over 5 of the pupils are in group A. So if 2 over 5 are in group A, what's the fraction for group B? Alright, so you see, problem sum is like a story. You must be able to understand the story. Okay, so 2 over 5 are in group A, how many in group B in terms of fraction? And then after that, 1 over 4 of the pupils in the group A. So off means what? What do you need to do when it is off? Multiply, right? So 1 over 4, when you multiply the group A, you will get the group A girls. And then they say 3 over 10 of the pupils in the school are girls. So knowing the group A girls, knowing the girls in the school, how can you find the fractions of girls in group B? Alright, okay, so I've almost given all the steps already there. 2 more minutes. Then after this, we will go through the solutions for each of the questions one by one. Okay? Not something that I want to answer on TikTok. How to put the fraction. Don't worry, you can leave the answer as decimal. Let's say you already figure out the fraction answer, right? You can convert the answer to fraction. To decimal. Alright. I don't think the answer is supposed to be 2 out of 19. Okay? Or if you put like example, the answer is example 1 out of 5, right? You put 1/5 also can. I will accept one of those. Okay? Put 1/3 also can. Okay? Or you can convert to decimal. Actually, the fraction, the answer for the fraction can be easily convert to decimal. Alright? That's why I tell you all to put in decimal. Okay? Okay, Nadira go use the back scratcher. Okay, 10 more seconds. Alright, the answer is, oh no, nobody write the answer. Alright, no worries, I'll go through in a while. But in the meantime, if you think that you may be the number 1, technically because nobody got it correct, right? So the number 1 from the previous question will be the number 1 lah. Alright? So take a screenshot of this, and later remember to take a screenshot of your score with your rankings on your device. Okay, not on my device, not on the Kahoot screen, but on your device. Okay? And before we end, before we end the Kahoot, we will still be going through the solutions. Okay, so stay on for the solutions. Alright, we are offering free trial, okay, for students who are not yet with us, okay, and you want to experience our lessons, give it a trial. We are offering free trial. At the same time, if you are already our students, you can also bring your friends along. Okay, alright, now let's see the podium. Number 3 is Noble Raccoon. Number 2, Lucky Crab. Number 1, Amazing Ferret. Alright, now let's change the screen. Alright, come, now let's go through each of the question. Alright, so the first one just now, right? Question 1, right? They mention which number is in the tens place. Okay, so because they're asking for the tens place, okay, tens place and not TENTH, that means the answer is number 4. Okay, because it's this place value. If they're asking for the TENTH, then is a number 2. Alright. Okay, in the meantime, do stay on, okay, to understand whichever questions you all got wrong just now. Alright, so expressing 9 and 1 over 50, right? We can convert 50 to 100 by multiplying by 2. So, times 2 become 9 and 2 over 100. 2 over 100 is actually 0.02. Okay, that's why it's 9.02. Okay, Nadira there, you can contact it. Alright, now this question was the one that most of you was wondering how did I got southwest. Okay, come, let me erase this and then explain, try to redraw again how I got this. Alright, now they say that at first Ali and Bala were facing the same direction, but we don't know what is that direction. Then Ali turned 135 degrees clockwise to face west. So now Ali is here. Ali is there, 135 degrees clockwise. Where is clockwise? Clockwise is this way, right? This is clockwise. Anti-clockwise is the other way. So from the west, I turn 135 degrees. 135 degrees is 90 plus 45, right? So I turn 90, then I turn 45. So we work backwards. Okay? So this is south east. So at first, Ali and Bala is facing this direction. Then Bala turned 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Wait, oh, okay. Wait, just now also. Wait, so. Okay. Yeah, apologies about this question. Actually, is like that. Because anti-clockwise, right? This is anti-clockwise because you need to go opposite. Okay? So it's like that. Yeah, so it's actually this one, okay? No, it's using a different color. Okay? Don't worry, I'll update the one that is on Telegram also. Okay. Next to question is the closest. Alright. So maybe on the book you put closest is smallest difference. Okay. Alright. So what did I do here? I firstly find it all in mixed number. Okay, so 25 over 8 becomes 3 and 1 over 8. 26 over 9 becomes 2 and 8 over 9. 16 over 5 becomes 3 and 1 over 5. 29 over 10 becomes 2 and 9 over 10. Alright, then I find the difference. No, Nadira, not this year, because this year we are not on IG. Okay, but soon we will also lah. Alright, then we find the difference, and then you see all is 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So the biggest denominator is the smallest fraction. Same thing with question 5. All these numbers are the difference between half and each of the number. And I take the biggest denominator again. That's why the answer is number 2. Okay? Alright, now we go to question 6. So question 6, the main clue here is this one. They give you the ratio of the gold to silver in box A, in the first box and the second box. The main clue is this part here. The two boxes contain the same number of stars. Alright, so the total here and the total here has to be the same. Alright, so we make the 3, I multiply by 2 becomes 6, 2 times 2 become 4, 1 times 2 become 2. So what fraction of zinc stars will gold star? So the gold is 1 plus 2, 3. And the total is 6 plus 6, 12. Okay? 3 over 12, simplest form is 1 out of 4. Alright, at this moment, any of you got any questions? Alright, now let's go to the next one. Parallel. Parallel is not the 90 degree. Parallel is the one that goes beside each other. So we can see here, it is this one and this one, right? This line and this line. So it's ED and AB. Alright, if they label it the other way around, it's okay. Alright. Alright, now we go to the graph question earlier, right? So the graph question, the main thing is you must understand that the graph or figure 1 is for number of muffins sold. The graph of figure 2 is number of muffins left unsold. Okay, so when they ask for number of chocolate muffins, it is actually sold and unsold. You need to combine them, then you get the number that you bake. That's why it is, this is 28, this is 10. 28 plus 10 is 38. Number 9, apple and banana muffins that were left unsold. So it's 18 plus 16. Because we go here, apple is 18, banana is 16. So 18 plus 16. Alright, now we go to the last question. This one, it was the one that I think a lot of you got it wrong, okay? So, what I was saying just now, right? You see, when they say that 2 over 5 are in group A, 2 over 5 in group A. So, imagine you got 5 portions. You took 2 of it out, you are left with 3. So, in group B, there are 3 out of 5. Okay? Oh, you did wrong calculation, is it, Mikhail? Okay, come, let us focus on this question first. Okay, so girls in A, right, they say it is 1/4 of the pupil. 1/4 of the pupils in group A are girls. So that's why I took 1 over 4 times 2 over 5. Okay, and we got 2 over 10. So in B, so 2 over 10 is in A. 3 over 10 is the girls. So in B is 3 over 10 minus 2 over 10, you get 1 over 10. Alright. Okay, so that's the solution for today's live. Alright, later I'll resend the solution for the direction question. Okay, so anyone got any questions for today? Okay, any topics that that you all want extra of to prepare for PSLE? Any topics? Alright, if no questions for today, thank you everyone. Okay, those who are still here, I mean like those who are new and still in this here, remember to follow us. Alright, I'll be back tomorrow for P5 Math. So P5 Math may be slightly easier. Okay, then I'll see you again tomorrow then. Alright, thank you everyone and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Tomorrow will still be 6 p.m. No, it's correct. I started off with 1 over 4 times 2 over 5, right? I cancel the 2 and the 4. Okay, then I got 2 over 10. So because 3 over 10 of the pupils are girls, so it's like in the school, right? 3 over 10 is girls, 7 over 10 is boys. So I took 3 over 10 minus 2 over 10, I got 1 over 10. Okay? Alright, Mikhail, does that answer your question? Oh, okay. I think I saw it. Yeah, 1 times 1. Okay, can. Alright, I'll correct that and I'll resend this in the group. Okay, thank you. Alright, thank you everyone. Again, I'll be back tomorrow for the P5 Math. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.